Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing a cool coconut drink with a bendy straw and a little paper umbrella. Grab your paper and a pencil and let's draw. First, the coconut. Draw one big round shape like a great big ball. Start up here on this side, go all the way around the bottom and come back up on the other side. Keep it nice and round and make it big. This coconut is the biggest part of our picture. Now the straw and the open top together. Way up here, draw a little bendy top like a candy cane. Then two long lines going down, down, down into the coconut, close together like train tracks. Now draw a wide oval around the straw, like a smile lying on its side, and one more oval inside it, so we can peek into the drink. Your turn. Draw the big round coconut, the bendy straw, and the open top. Take your time. You can even ask a grown-up to pause the video. I'll wait for you. Now the soft white part under the rim. Draw a wavy line going across, like little clouds in a row. Up and down and up and down. Wavy lines are so much fun to draw. Now the little paper umbrella, draw a tiny ball at the top, then a long line going out this way. Add a wavy edge under it, 3 lines to make the folds, and 1 stick going down into the drink. Now our coconut is ready for a sunny day. Your turn. Draw the wavy white part and the little paper umbrella. Take your time and remember, your drawing doesn't have to look just like mine. Look at that! Our coconut drink is nearly finished and it looks so cool. If you're having fun drawing with us, ask a grown-up to press subscribe. And now, our favorite part. Right here on the coconut, hide a tiny heart. Every single Kiki drawing has one. Shh! It's our little secret. Your turn. Add your tiny heart right in the middle of the coconut. Take your time. I'll wait right here for you. Coloring time. Let's color the big coconut a warm brown. Stay inside the lines and take it slow. It's a really big shape. Now the top. Color the soft white part and the drink a light buttery yellow like sweet coconut milk. Doesn't that look tasty? Next, the straw. Color it a bright pink, and your tiny heart, color that pink too. Last, the little umbrella. Color the folds mint green and sunny yellow, one after the other. So pretty! Wow, look at that! Your coconut drink looks so cool. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video. Or send us an email and we'll send you some sample pages. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.